Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be looking at how to make text a vector that has anchor points that are editable by expanding and ungrouping each letter. First, add the text with the text tool onto the artboard and adjust the size and the style to what you need. Click the selection tool and then select the text. Find Object in the upper left corner and then find Expand in the drop-down menu. Click Expand and keep these settings the same. Right-click on one of the letters and then click Ungroup. This will allow you to move each individual letter independently from the rest, but please note you can do this and keep the letters grouped if you wish by using the direct selection tool to move them instead of keeping them grouped together. You can now change the anchor points on each letter using the direct selection tool. Thanks for watching.